Hi friends, here's a packet of 10 frames, and 10 frames are that there's 10, looks like picture frames. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We always start on the left side of the page, top row, and then we go from here back to the bottom row. Because when we read, we start on the left side of the page and work to the right side of the page. So this one, you'll need cotton balls. You should be able to find cotton balls in your bag. And if you don't have enough, see if you have some at home. But I sent you a whole bunch. So here you're looking for 1 cotton ball. You can write the number 1 here and practice. Instead of doing it this way, just make a straight line to make a number 1. And you can put 1 on here. Here's number 2. So you'll put 2 cotton balls. And if you don't feel like writing it on here, that's fine because you can use these over and over. And 3 and 4 and all the way through. There's 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when you get to 10, you're going to do it this way. Top row, 1, 2, 3. Oops, that one bounced away. That's okay. 3, 4, 5. I'll go back to the left. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Are we done? 10 and 10? We are. Then this last one has nothing here. So you can use a pencil if you'd like, and you can just make up any number you want. It can be a higher number, it can be a lower number. If you have 0, then you don't put anything on there. But have fun with this one, and you can do anything you want, any kind of number. You can do 20, reuse it, make a copy of it, whatever you want to do, and just have fun with the cotton balls because they're really soft. Have a good time with this game. Bye, friends.